What's up, guys? Sean here, back for another shave. Tonight I'm responding to Robert, the Razor's Edge, vintage razor challenge, shaving challenge. The razor I'm going to be using for tonight is not my oldest razor, but Friodur 14 J.A. Henkel's stainless 8/8 razor. Gonna be using that tonight. Oop, hello. Soap I'm going to be using is Ariana and Evans Oudiction. The brush I'm going to be using is my Yaqi 24mm Badger brush. Pre-shave, Dawn of Glory. Fantastic stuff. Recommend it to everyone. Alright, let's get the face wet. Went to the doctor today for my 6-month checkup or whatever. And didn't go as good as it could have been. Doctor listened to my heart today and said that they heard a regular beat and they want to get an ultrasound done, and so on and so forth. So, yay! Gotta figure out what's going on with that. Hopefully, it's nothing. Not gonna stress out just yet, at least. I think she said an ultrasound and an echocardiogram as well. So, we'll see. We'll see. All right. All right. Man, today at work was not a good time. We had a vendor that didn't do their job and validate some things properly, and we were down today, and oh man, I'm glad the workday is over. And tomorrow's Friday. Ready for a much needed few day break from work. Alright, let's get this shave started. Yep. Same edge as it was before. Beautiful. Smooth and keen. Man, I'm still thinking about that shave I had yesterday with the Boker. This is really, like, this 8/8 Friodur. It's freaking awesome, but it's just not quite as good as the Boker 14er and the Philly Doble Temple or Tempe. Whatever, the double templed one I have. Yeah. The Philly 14. Oh, I've not studied Spanish yet for the day. Still got a lot of stuff left to do. There goes my brush, just knocking it on the ground. Well, better the brush than dropping this razor. I would be very upset if I did that. All right, let's let's go with some Thayer's Witch Hazel Lavender. And we will pair that with some Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. Whew. Man, that was fun. That was comfortable. That was nice. Beautiful. All right, well, I'm going to keep this vintage straight razor challenge going, and I'm going to challenge Martin Test Shaves and Long Haul Tinker. All right, guys, well, we're coming up on the weekend tomorrow. I'll probably do a live stream tomorrow as well. Catch you guys later. Have a good one.